This video is about doing simple tasks and earning money. First, we have to come to bird.co. Bird. Here we have to apply for charging. We have to charge their bikes and electric products, and we will earn money per product. You can apply from here. And now we will talk about another website. This is Gigwalk. Gigwalk is an app that pays you to shop. Let's see how much it pays. An average Gigwalk can earn anywhere from 3 to 100 for an individual task. If you are looking for a complete, you can read other things. What is Gigwalk? Gigwalk is a mobile app and iOS that allows you to find quick jobs in your area. A gig is represented by a pin on a map in a mobile application and can take anywhere from 5 to a few hours to complete and pay anywhere from 3 to 100. You have to go and buy the things, products, and you will make money for your shopping. Now we'll talk about field agent. Field agent is also a legitimate company. Let's see how much field agent earns. Field agents are sales representatives and working location typically contacting and present customers in person one to one. They provide information about products and selling. This is also like if a company has launched a biscuits new in the market, then field agent has to make awareness that this is good biscuits or very crispy biscuits to the public. Let's see how much they make. An average salary for a field agent is 44,000 per year. That's a good money for side hustle.